back to my YouTube channel, guys. I made this account for my YouTube. It's a new account, I'm sorry. But, yeah, in this video, we're going to be making my starter dog. Man, I'm changing the name. Let's make it Okay, you have to put the 3 instead of the E. The word neon's not gonna show up. It's just gonna be tagged. Or the whole word's gonna be tagged. But in this video, we're going to be making a doggy full grown. Well, trying to. And then we're gonna be saving up a lot of money. But comment down below your Roblox username because I will be adding people on this account. So if you want me to add you, comment your Roblox username. Okay, let's go. Change the color of my house. Please be pink. Ooh, it's purple. Even better. Okay. Do I have a vehicle? No, it does not give us a vehicle. Let's take out the stroller. Come on, doggy. Okay. Wow, a lot of people are not playing. Wow. Someone else just left. Oh. That was my phone just glitching. But let's hope that people do not bully me. Because a lot of people bully people because they only have like a buffalo or a dog or a cat and they're poor. Like, hot dogs for buck, hot dogs for buck. What in the world does that mean? Okay, what does my doggy need? I'm going to say who wants to be in your YouTube video. Okay, so I say who wants to be in your YouTube video. No one responded. You're overpaying, girl. Do not give her that. She's like, no, I don't want to train. Who wants to be in a YouTube video? Say who wants to be in a YouTube video? Well, they already basically are, but yeah, this girl's kind of crazy. Why would you trade me? I'm poor. Hello. What? Am I seeing this right? What? They're gonna decline. Watch them decline. No way. Watch them decline. Yeah, I felt like you were gonna decline. Don't show off anymore, lady. Anyway, ouch, my foot. But my dog does not need anything, and it's kind of weird. This is not a good server. I will see you guys when I'm in a new server. Okay, so I think we're in a new server. I hope this is a new server. I do not want it to not be in a different server. I mean, I want it to be in a different server. I do not want it to be the same server. Because that would be horrible. Because this is not a good server. Well, the last server was. Because there was like 20 people in there. Yeah, this is definitely a different server. And a rich server too. OMG. Everyone stop bragging. Who wanna trade for... Okay. Hold up. Quit bragging that you have a kangaroo. You guys should stock up on the Aussie eggs though. For real, because they're going to be leaving soon. And I actually know, I think I know what the next eggs are. They're going to probably be the fossil eggs. Because Adopt Me, on the Adopt Me page said, fossil eggs, fossil eggs, fossil eggs. So that they're probably giving a hint that the next egg's a fossil egg. But for right now, we're just gonna try stock up on the Aussie eggs. But we're trying to make the doggy neon, but the dog has nothing to do. Okay, let's go to sleep because I know you're gonna need some sleep right now. Finally. Okay, so I love the car pink, so you can Dev stinks. How dare you do that? No, we're changing that. Add a dot. Oh, that's a dot. See. I'm gonna add a dot. Wait, no. People right in here. I'm gonna add a dot for myself. Okay. Watch her erase all of that, because that's what a lot of people do. And it makes me so upset when wait, I know how to control your pet. So you sit on any side, it doesn't matter. Take out your pet and then move around that, and then you're controlling your pet. Look at that doggy go. Where did the dog go? Oh, I thought she added it. I'm like, what? Oh, she has a doggy too. Because now all the teachers' apples are gone, and it's just a sandwich, so we need to stock up on those. Oh my gosh, you're thirsty again. Oh my gosh. This dog loves water just like I do. Let's have you slurp some water. See, he's going to erase it. He's gonna erase all of that. I have to give him credit for that. Shout out to Rayquan 2250. Shout out to him. He literally just added a lot of dots. That makes me cringe, I swear. Okay. I think my little brother's still up. Let me check what time it is. It's 1 in the morning. And I'm playing Adopt Me, making a YouTube video. I will be posting this after I make this. So, yeah. There's an ore. Okay, time to teleport back home. Okay, that was good. Okay. And I know how to duplicate your pets. I want to try to duplicate mine. But it's very hard how to duplicate your pets. Like, very difficult. You can use it with any type of pet, but a lot of people use it with their legendaries. And I seen someone do it with their frog, with their albino monkey. I want to dress you up, doggy. You're a cow now. You're a cow. Ha 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 ha. OMG. Wait, is the bell in the dog's head? Oh my gosh, I was gonna say, oh my god. Okay, let's just change my skin. No, show avatar. Because I'm not a pink person. Okay, you're hungry. I'm gonna feed you an apple, healthy, for your dog teeth. I would have preferred a sandwich. Ooh, preteen already? And my goodest pet that I'll probably be having is a Nyan dog. And it's really, really easy to make a Nyan dog, guys. And when you make 4 Nyan dogs, you full grow them all, you can make a mega Nyan dog. Okay, let's take you to the pool party, hee hee hee, and make you full grown. Oh, ow, that hurt my throat. On my other account, not my Sweet Savage. Oh my gosh. We're giving you a sandwich this time. It is, oh my gosh, don't run over me and my dog. It is around your lunchtime, doggy. After you eat the sandwich, we're gonna head to to the beach. Oh my gosh, my mouse won't work. Okay, we are at the pool party. And in the next video, we're going to be seeing what someone trades for a full-grown dog. But I want to make a Nyan dog. I'm going to have a series, basically, for me making a Nyan dog. That's a dog. It's really easy to make a Nyan dog. Well, to make a full-grown dog. Like, literally, super easy. Alright, I'm pre-teen. And then, after this, you have teen, and then, post-teen. And then, it's full-grown. But this one's gonna take a little longer because, it's gonna take a little longer because, like, it's, like, almost done being full-grown in. Like, to make a full-grown unicorn, it's very hard. And a lot of work. To make a mega Nyan unicorn that's full-grown still, that's unbelievable. My dream pet is a Nyan riding flying unicorn. That's a flying Dalmatian, OMG. A riding chicken. And then there is a riding Arctic reindeer. Everyone's just showing off. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, in this server, I'm gonna say who wants to be in a YouTube. Your YouTube video. Okay, so I said who wants to be in a YouTube video. If anyone responds, no one. Everyone's just enjoying their time. That girl was speaking another language. What in the world? Yep, my little brother is still awake. So you can hear him in the background. Do not mind him. Okay. I am not training my dog until it's Nyan. But I seen this video. Well, every time I get a unicorn, I'm gonna save that unicorn, and then every time, and then save my money to get a lot of eggs, and every time I get until, my dream pet's a Nyan unicorn. I don't want to trade my other trade before. What? I want an otter. A doggy for an otter, what you say? It's a newborn. Sorry, but I guess I know. Because I know. That's not unfair, but if I'm going to trade my full-grown dog for an uncommon, and then trade the uncommon for rare for ultra rare, and ultra rare for legendary, because that's how you get a good inventory, and then get cracked eggs and hatch those, then you save up your money, and then that's how you get a lot of money and stuff. Yeah, you're hungry. I only have apples now, though, so yeah. Only apples, sorry doggy. They didn't even pay me. Sometimes Roblox glitches and it makes me angry. I'll be there probably first, hee hee hee. I probably won't though. Might actually be someone already there, but if I'm the first one, I'll be surprised. Ooh, thank you for the $20. We already have $205. See? How is she running that fast? Well, oh, she has a hoverboard. No, she has roller skates. Now I'm just walking on my legs. And then you need, no one better steal the pink tent. You should stock up on those too, guys. Stock up on any food supply that you have. Well, any food that you see. And then save it, and like save your drinks too for your pet and stuff. Save almost every type of like food and meal, and like save your pets. Don't really trade your pets though. You should save your pets and like so you have a really good inventory. And like if you see someone with your dream pet and you give them all your neon legendaries or something for it, and they accept, you should accept. But I don't know if it would be fair. But we are all done here. I want a bike, but I want to save my money. Guess if you have a free bike. I do not know why I like it. Wait a minute. I only saved 2 because I ate all. I can say ABC for a free bike. Because I just got this count. ABC if you have a free bike. ABC if you have a free bike. Because I need a bike. Oh, a free bike. Yay. A bike. Because I need a vehicle so I'm faster than anyone. Do I get... Thank you. I got a bike. Watch it be green or something. Oh, it's pink. Perfect. That's perfect. Let's see how fast we are. Oof. Oof, oof. We're stuck. Ah! I'll take a break from the bike. Okay. I don't think we're going to be able to fully grow the dog. Oh, yeah. In this video, but this is like about like almost full grown. I'll be like playing Adopt Me, so in like my next video he'll be probably full grown unless we can do it in this video, but I don't think we're gonna be able to because it's gonna take a long time. Not long time, probably like 30 more minutes, but it takes like 3 weeks to full grown a unicorn. And to the people that have mega neon unicorns, oh, it's not. Oops, cool. Let's go. I'm Mario. Ouch. I'm watching a video, and this guy was driving, and his girlfriend told him, to stop, and then he stopped and hit his head on his front mirror, and he broke his front mirror in his car. My phone is burning up. But I really want Robux, but that's why I'm going to be doing some chores today. Well, if it's morning time, well, yeah, but it is literally 1:14 right now. Ooh, the dog's literally almost in the teens, so that's really good. And we're making a lot of money. We earned actually a lot of money. Really, Kitsune, you made my doggy sick. I just think I seen my brother. I think I just seen my little brother. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I need to stock up on some apples too, but hold up. If that's him, I'm gonna freak out because I don't think he has his phone down here. Hope my dad makes his cheese dip with chips. Really, I didn't even get paid for that. My dog didn't even eat it. Are you kidding me? Better eat that dog. Thank you for being healthy. Okay, let's go see if that's him. I'm gonna spy on that dude, even though it's not him. I wanna see what he does. Well, he might have left the game. We should have spied on him before. Let's see if we can find him. Yeah, I can't find him anyway. Let's go look. Wait a minute. Oh, it was that dude. That's why I said wait a minute. But yeah, that is going to be for today's video. If you have any suggestions I should do in the next video, tell me, because I might do them. I might not. But yeah, comment down your suggestions I should do for the videos. But yeah, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, bye.